In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy any product below MOQ on 1688 step by step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want me to procure your link on 1688, you want me to procure your link on Taobao or Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. So, without being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy below MOQ on 1688. So, just like what you see on the screen right here, this supplier right here is can sell one pieces, which simply means that there is no particular MOQ on this particular product. In some cases, if there are minimum of MOQ you can buy on any supplier, so what you need to do is to contact the supplier and ask them for a custom order. They are going to modify for you so you can pay. But in this case, this is a very easy one, and because the seller here sell just one piece of the cloth. So for you to buy, what you need to do is to make sure you click on here to add the product to cart. So it's going to load up like this. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure I need just one pieces of 110 centimeters. So I have to just click on here to add the product to cart. Once you add the product to cart, then you need to click on the top right here to visit your cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select the product. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. So you can see right here, I'm buying just one pieces of this cloth at this amount, which is 110.88 yuan. So this seller here give me 8 yuan discounts. Okay, so for me to make a payment straight up, I have to click on here to proceed to payment. Then I need to click on here to proceed to payment, checkout. Then I'll have to click on here. And at this point here, I will have to enter my payment password. Once you enter your payment password, the payment is going to be successful, just like what you see right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to visit my profile, I have to click on here. Then you can see by the time I click on here, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let me click on here and show you guys. So here we go. So this is the product we just purchased right now, successful on 1688. So this is how you can buy below MOQ without using agent on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.